but seems to have some sort of bug. For some reason, it's not selling contracts correctly. So we can dive into that and figure out what's going on there. And then let's take a look at one more. We also have this one that we've been running as well, the TQQQ SMA 200. Let's see how that one's doing. This one's up. This one's up a nice amount. So up 6.5% since we started. I'd say that's a good starting point. We started on September 24th, so it's been almost exactly a month right now, and we're up 6.5%. That's very nice. Look at that, smoking the stock market. Exactly what we expected, right? The stock market is in the gray, the green is us, and we're up quite a bit. So I started off $2,069, and I'm now at $2,204. So I am about $140 richer because of this algorithm over the past month. Very nice. Okay, this one I like. And then just to be consistent, if you guys don't know what this algorithm is about, here's the back test for it. This one's a little bit more tame. It's a stock trading algorithm rather than trading options. But this is the tear sheet that we got from it. And this one's quite nice. This is one that we've had around for a while. I've been trading this one for quite some time. I know a bunch of our clients have traded this one as well. It's a pretty simple strategy. What it does is basically buys the TQQQ index. If you have never seen this thing, TQQQ is a monster. Here's what it looks like. We put in TQQ. It is the triple leveraged NASDAQ. The returns get kind of silly. Like if you go back, let's say we'll go max on this one. I don't know why it's not showing the full max. No, this is the wrong one. TQQQ. We need the one on the NASDAQ. It was showing me one on the TSX. Okay, so here's pretty silly returns, right? So this one, if you held on to TQQQ when it came out in 2010, February 2010. If you had bought it back then, okay, and held it until today, you would be up 24,000%, right? Let's compare that to like the best stocks, right? Let's compare that to like, for example, NVIDIA. Let's see how NVIDIA did during that. Yeah, NVIDIA did beat it. Holy crap. Wow, that's insane. NVIDIA got 455,000%. I was not expecting that. That is insane. Okay, if you're like an amazing stock picker, you would have beat this thing. What about Apple? Apple also doing quite well. Okay, so if you chose, some specific stocks, you would definitely beat this thing. However, this one's a little bit more diversified. So I think it's a very interesting play. The problem though with this one, so let's do the math, right? So 24,000%. That means if you had put your money in 2010 February and held it until today, you would have 247 times your money. So let's say if I had, I put in a $2,000 account, right? This is why I think it's pretty interesting. $2,000 account times 247, that would be about $500,000 almost, right? So that's going from 2010 until today. It's about a 15-year time period. If you had held that for 15 years, you would have turned $2,000 into about $500,000. That's insane. So this thing's pretty crazy. The biggest problem with this thing though, and the reason why we made an algorithm around it, is because it has these really, really big drawdowns. Like this is scary.
Okay, like what you saw? See the strategies we've created in the marketplace or create your own with our powerful trading AI at www.botspot.trade.